Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Leanne's Playhouse. Today this is another different video because this time I'm doing magnets. So look, check out my magnet. So my magnet came with these, so they hold with it much. Look, so they hold it strong. So you don't need to do like this and it doesn't hold like it's not heavy like this. So it came with 6 of these. It's called counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these 2 are 6. There's one small and one big. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do and what shapes I can do. So I'm gonna show you the first one. I'm gonna make a ladybug. So I need to show you my the color that it came. So it can even bend. It can bend this way and this way. You can do like this. It can bend. Look, whoa, wiggly. So all of them can bend, but there's a rare one, and it mixes color, but it doesn't mix with those. Look, it is yellow mixed with orange. That is so crazy. Look, it's mixed with orange. So maybe they put it like this, and then they maybe rub it like this, and then it came. So maybe it's mixed. So it's time to show you what color. I have red. Just take. They're like super magnets. Red, orange, yellow, yellow, black, green. These are crazy. Green and like dark blue. Oh, these magnets are crazy. Blue, purple, and the rare one, yellow mixed orange. So the first one I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna do ladybug. So see. So let me show. So first I'm gonna show you what pieces did it came. It came with 4 black, 2 blues, and 2 purple, 4 green, 4 yellow. This is the yellow the same one. So you can so it's okay when you make these also yellow. It's okay. 4 yellow, 4 red, and what else? Did I say all of them? I didn't see orange. 2 orange. So that's it. What it came. It's time to do the ladybug. So first thing you need to bring a black. You bring 3 of them. So you can choose whatever you want. They stick much, but there is something super magical. Look, they don't stick because something. Watch this. So this bends like this by itself, and the magnet moves by itself. Look. So this one is going away from this. Look, I'm going. Look, I feel the power. Look. Oh my gosh. Look. They're going away. Look at this one. Look how bending it is. It's bending. Look. So I'm gonna just no doing so. So first thing you put it like this, and the other one close to it, and the second one close to it. Look, I did it. So you need to put this First step, you put this, and this. Then you bring red. So you bring 4 red. These magnets are super crazy. They stick. So you bring 4. See? 4. 4 red magnets. So you bring these 4. You bring one of these. They stick. They let them stick hard. So watch this. They stick hard. So let me put them. See? I'm almost done. Just put the last one. If you're done, you need to hold these. You need to hold these like this. Like this, like this. Look how crazy they are. So I'm not gonna do the ladybug because it needs much help too. So someone give you these. So I'm not gonna do it. Okay. So I'm not gonna do it. Just put. So the flower is gonna be long. So you need to watch this carefully if you want to show your parents. First step, you bring the put it like this, and then you put the other one, then you put the other one, snap it. Snap it. Then you bring this green, another green, put it here, so this is its sleeve. And then you bring this, it holds it much harder. So I'm gonna do it whatever color I want. So it's okay, you don't need to make the same thing as the picture. See, I put it under it. I'm almost done. You can use another green because it's 4. You can use 1, 2, 3 for the stem and the leaf, and you can use 1. Here. Oh, that's it. Look at my flower. Check it out. I'm gonna move these. These are not with it. So I can make a different thing. So you bend this, bend it like this. You put it here, and then it will make it more longer. I'm gonna make different colors. So watch this. Keep watching this until the end. I'm almost done. So this is how it looks like. So the last piece, I'll do it blue. We probably don't use black for the flower because when it's black, it means like you cut it out. It can be alive anymore. So we don't use black as flowers, just like beautiful color. I'm done. Look at this. So if you want to even make it like this, you can open this. Oh, they stick. So let me tell you something special that I learned. So I can make a longer caterpillar. It's super duper cute. So you can watch this. So I need to put these. Look how they stick. Again, watch this. Ready, steady, go. Oh, they stick. So let me put it in. So let's just start doing it. So these here. So I'm gonna make it rainbow as my favorite color. You bend this. Look, you bend it until the end. See? You put it here and watch the rest. It's a long one. It's super long. Like it will end from here. It's a wiggly caterpillar. So you keep watching this until the end. It doesn't stick because these are power minus. So these are power plus. So that's why they stick. So let's keep continuing. I probably need a movie, so I'm gonna put them all together with these magnets. Oh my gosh, how did they stick like that? Look at these. Look at these things. They're like funky. I'm gonna stick this. So when I want them, so I can get them more better. So then making noises and then they will fall. Not sticking. This one is sticking too. So I'm gonna move this so you can see it clear. I did this green. Look. So you better remember if you want to do this and show your cousin or your parents, anybody. So I'm gonna be doing the rest of it. So I'm almost done. Not really, because I still need to do it at the end from here. So I'm gonna make it more taller. It's even a rainbow caterpillar. Did you know that? I made a rainbow caterpillar so you can see. So these are her tiny legs. Look at that. Come look. So these are her tiny legs. So we don't use black. We start it again until it's long. So I'm gonna make it a wiggly because it's going from here, starting from here, then going here, and wiggly here, and then it's gonna end here. So when I finish, these all magnets, so that's why where it's gonna end to here. So let's do it. So it's okay if it's going far away because you need to do like this going here. It's gonna be hard because you're thin. Cannot go here. So let's see how it's going. The black are too much, so I don't use them. I will use them at the end. Oh, I don't have any orange. Then it's okay. I can use them, so I can skip this. It's okay. When I don't have it, I can skip yellow. Just only one green left. What it comes to, I don't have blue. So what does she say do? It's okay, I can put black. Is it good? Does it feel good? If it's nice, comment down below and tell me. So I gotta keep this black safe because I'm gonna make it at the end here. And cute emoji face. So I'm gonna put it here so I never lose it. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. See, I told you. I'm gonna wiggle it to here. See, look how wiggly it is. So I just got 2 more and then I finish all the magnets. Her leg is so tall. I'm done. So it's time to make the eyes. So you bend this here. Look. Oh, they do like ah! How they stick. Oh my gosh. Oh, I made it the wrong way. I'm distracted. Finally done. So I'm gonna make it like this. Be carefully. Look how why is it popping up? So you gotta be careful. So you use these small circles. The back are white and the inside are black. So they're different. So they're big. Even you can make a button like an arm button. You take this one and you put it inside here and you can even move it. Look, you hear that? So I'm being distracted and it's different things. Look how cute these eyes are. Oh, this is my caterpillar's eyes. I'm gonna put it at the final end. So check out my caterpillar. Check out what I did. See. So I'm gonna make these dots like decorations. Put them around so she can pretend that she's going on a jungle. Like she spy things. Look how I designed all of these magnets. If you like my video, please give me a huge thumbs up. I'm just kidding, we're not gonna end the video, just telling you that. So what should I do else? I know how to do some accessories. So I got a special experiment. So you gotta watch this. Look. If you wanted me to choose any color, the one that you want, comment down below. If you want purple, if you're a girl, if you're a boy, you can use these blue or green. They're not like girls. So girls are pink and purple, light pink and light purple, violet. Nice colors, turquoise. So I'm gonna choose one of these. Which one should I choose? I'd probably go with girls. So you bend this. See? I'm gonna bring a black because it's kind of a girl. So look, the magnet moves. Watch this, look. I'm not kidding. They just stick from here. Look. They're like a remote controller. Uh-oh. It's like a silly mouse. Look how moving it is. Oh, so let me tell you what is the difference, because if it's the same, look, if it's the same, this one moves. Look at his head, pretending it's in. Why did I stick? Look, so look at the blue, look at the purple one. Watch. So these stick, these not. Look at the black and the purple. They don't like each other. If they're the same, they do not stick. If they're not the same, they stick. Watch. Look. Not the same. The same. Look. So I probably is gonna broke this off. So look. Are you ready for this? It's gonna explore. Look, I got an idea. Look. So they're not. They stick. I can make the letter T easy. You just put this on, and it's the letter T. So it's like Trinidad and Madison's channel. Go check it out and give them a huge thumbs up. So I made the letter T. Well, it's like look, it moved by itself. So I'm gonna make I can make a car very easy. Look, you bring which color that has 4 colors. So the black has 4 colors. So I'm going with the boys because they're classic. Probably use 4 or maybe 2. Comment down below. Oh, look how landing it is. Look, click and slide. Let this one stick to it. I didn't do nothing. Look at that. Look how it did that. It's like an obstacle. Then it sticks by itself here, and then this sticks by itself. So stop reviewing this. So it's time to make the car. So you put this here. So you bring the big dot, the counters. Then, if you want to put it here, it's okay. You decide. So you put it here up. So you put it up. I'm gonna put it this way. So you need to make it up. So this is pretend that it's the back of it when you put some luggage in it. Pretend. So I'm gonna put this one here lower. So this one it's okay. It's like a racing car. Sure? See? I love it the way that it's up here, and I like the way that. So how do we do a door for it? Oh, I got an idea. Which color should we use? I'm going for the girls. Purple. So you bend this. You don't need to bend it and stick it. So you put this here. Pretend that this is the window. Pretend, because I have no idea what to do. It's not sticking. This one is only sticking. Why? This is the door probably. I got an idea. I can make the other purple one. It's stacked by itself. Because maybe this holds it and this holds it. So that's why it's standing. That's magical. Hey, why did it go this lower? Hey. Look, Is it nice? Like, oh look, when you move it, it goes back. Back. Forward. It doesn't. It's okay, I can fix it. So, I'm gonna do the last thing and then I'm gonna end the video. So what should I do next? Should I do... I got the perfect idea. I said perfect. The perfect idea. I can make a store. Really. So I can sell things. I'm not gonna make a store. I can't. They'll just pretend that I'm a store. Like, if you want that thing, you can buy it. It's like watches, rings, things, yo-yos. So you're gonna watch this and then I'm gonna end the video. I did again. So I'm gonna start doing it. Let's use from the red. Bend it. So this way is going here. This one is going forward. This one is going backwards. Like it's going here. It's pulling this. This one is pulling in. This one's pulling in. So it's like this. Boom. I did it. It's like a yo-yo. But watch this. Look, it's an amazing thing that you do it on the floor. So, if you want me to do another Sylvanian video and tell me, so maybe I'm gonna do it. So comment down below if I can do it. So tell me, so maybe I can make another Barbie video with a Barbie dream camper. So keep watching this and watch our videos and give all our videos a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. So I'm not gonna end the video, just kidding. So I'm gonna make the one that I was working on. So you do it like this. So you need to move these. So I'm gonna put these together. So it's gonna be bouncy ball. It's like a yo-yo game. So first you get it, you make this shape, and then when you put it like in high place, and then you'll leave it, and then it will be back like this on the ground. Look how possible is this. You can make a lot of things with magnets. If you want to buy it, and you can make the same video as I made, and you should watch this and then you can buy it. And if you want to buy it, give all our videos and a huge thumbs up. So let's just start picking these up. They're so hard to fold up because there are 22. There's a small box, like it has like 20, and this box has 22 pieces. So I got the bigger box so I can make more things. So if you want to make the little one, like it's not too tiny as these. Like it's a little small. It's like a medium size. So it's a little big, but it's small a little, like medium size, medium and large size. So they're both mixed. So I picked these up finally. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. you check all our videos for Leanne's Playhouse and give all our videos and a huge thumbs up. Bye!